Hey YouTube, Big D here, known as Blastowitz Rules, and I bought a Forces of Nature collection box. Took the stuff out so I can get the video done quicker, because a lot of people don't like longer videos. But on it you got Tornadus, Thunderous, and Landorus. This box is actually really cool. I like the colors of it a lot. And you got them on the back again. But anyways, the box isn't it's not a bad price at all. Picked it up at Walmart. It comes with 3 booster packs, which are 2 emerging powers and a Call of Legends. It also comes with some promo cards that are actually, the artwork on these are really cool. We've got Thunderous, black and white, I think it's 41 promo. Tornadus, which is black and white, 42. And these 2 are reverses. And Landorus full art, which is actually the one that I really wanted. Even though it's a promo, I'm pretty sure this is going to go up in price, because it's... After these boxes are out for a month or 2, then you won't be finding them anymore, besides online for like 40 bucks a box. So I think I'm going to pick up like 2 more boxes of these, probably one next week and maybe one another little while after that. So, but this full art Landorus is actually really, really cool. So I'm just gonna get this open for you, these packs open. And on top of that, I bought 2 Undaunted packs too, from Walmart also. So I'll be opening 5 packs in this video for you guys. And I'm gonna start with the Darmanitan Emerging Powers pack. It would be great if I pull some Pokemon catchers too. So we've got a code card. We have Mincina, Pansage, Purloin, Rufflet, Panpour, Crushing Hammer, Drillbur, Watchog, okay, and my reverse is a Simisear, which is a rare, which is cool. I actually think I need this one, so that's awesome. And my rare, wow, Tornadus full art. Very, very nice. So, it seems like these, whatever they're called, the Forces of Nature collection boxes, it seems like 1 in every 2 has one of these in full art, like either Tornadus or a Thunderous, so it's pretty cool to have another one of these. I think I have 3 now, and I believe I have 4 of the Thunderous, so nice to have another one of those though. The next pack is Cobalion. Another code card. A reverse catcher would be amazing. That's probably like the card I want the most out of this set. We got Patrat, Rufflet, Darumaka, Ferroseed, Clink, Sigilith, Lilligant, Bulldor, and I guess that's it. Let's leave this one on the side. Okay, so my reverse is Audino. Cool card. Not really sure if I have it or not. I don't really remember all the reverses that I have out of this set. It's been a while since I've looked at them. And a Whimsicott rare, which it's not hollow, so whatever. Then we have my Call of Legends pack with Deoxys on the front. Finally, a pack that opens nicely. No rips at all. Two. We've got Mischievous, Hitmonchan. Sorry about that, guys. My memory card was full. It ran out of space. But I was opening the Call of Legends pack. Also, I'll try to put these two videos together, combine them. But this is just the start of the pack here. We'll continue. We have Mischievous, Hitmonchan, Houndour, Totodile, Magmar, Riolu, Lost Remover, Croconaw, my reverse is a Cheerleader's Cheer, which is actually a pretty good card, or it actually still might be. And my rare is a rare Typhlosion. So for the Forces of Nature collection box, pretty good pulls. I like the bonus full art and reverse hollows that they come with, plus the Tornadus full art. But I'm going to get on to the two Undaunted packs that I have now. First one's a Jolteon. I really like now how Walmart carries packs that aren't the first two new sets, or the two newest sets in their, I think price-wise, they're $3.33, which is awesome. It's cheaper, especially when I get my discount for $3 a pack. With tax, I think it's like $3.19 or $3.18 or something. But we've got Combi, which is awesome because I need more of these for multiple common and uncommon sets. Eevee, Togepi, Pikachu. Personally, I like the background, but the Pikachu is not that great of an artwork. Metal Energy, always cool to pull energies. I love the evolution, so Vaporeon is amazing. And Runes of Elf, which is actually another card that I need for complete trainer sets. So this is turning out to be a really good pack. My reverse is a Dodrio, which is a rare, and my Rayquaza and Deoxys Legend. Very, very nice for my rare. So that's actually really good pulls. Reverse Hollow Rare and a Legend piece, which is actually, I think, the most expensive Legend piece, or Legend set at least. And the last pack is a Skarmory Undaunted pack. We got Hitmonlee. Ooh, Hitmonlee and Hitmonchan. Yes, another Combi. Awesome. Eevee, Togepi, Scyther. I love Scyther. Jungle Set is my favorite Scyther ever. Gloom. Another Metal Energy. Interesting. Very nice. My reverse is a Pineco, which I think I have. And my rare is a hollow Togekiss. So, not bad. So, I'll show you the pulls once here. We got the Rayquaza.